Now let's see further. Then it says that, how did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked as he steered clear of the mass. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. So here in these lines, as the man got the child out of the crowd, he asked him how he had reached there and what were his parents' name. The boy cried even more and repeated that he wanted to go to his parents. He didn't want anything else except his parents. And he was not listening to what the man was asking him. Then further, it is said in the last paragraph, the man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. Will you have a ride on the horse? He gently asked as he approached the ring. The child's throat tore into a thousand shrill sobs and he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. So, in these lines, the narrator says that the man tried to relax the child by taking him to the roundabout swing and he offered him a ride, but the child screamed and wept loudly that he wanted his parents. So now the child, as he was desperate or he just had a great desire to ride on the to have a ride on the roundabout, now he did not want to go on that swing also, he did not want to enjoy the ride also, just because he wanted to be with his parents. Now he wanted his parents to him and he did not like anything else. Then further in the next lines it is said that the man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. Listen to that nice music, child, he pleaded. But the child shut his ears with his fingers and shouted his double pitched strain, I want my mother, I want my. The man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quieten him. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? He persuasively asked. The child, persuasively means convincingly asked. The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. So just see in this paragraph we can see that how the feelings of how the emotions of the child has changed now. Earlier he just desperately wanted to have those balloons. He just asked his parents to get the balloons, and but now, just to quieten him, the man offered him many tempting things like balloons, and he just offered him to have a ride on the roundabout. But the child did not pay attention towards all these things, and he continuously said that he wanted his to be with his parents, and he turned away, he kept on weeping for his parents. Then the next line says, the man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like a garland to put round your neck? Bore means carried here in these lines. So the narrator says now here this man who is carrying this little child in his arms now tries to quieten him first because he was crying bitterly, and he just offered, this man tried to make the child happy by offering him the flowers which he wanted earlier, and he asked him to smell the fragrance of those flowers and offered him the garland, but the child turned his nose away from the basket and retreated to his sobs. Again he continued to cry, I want my mother, I want my father. He continuously repeated. He repeated the sobs and he continuously said that he wanted to go to his parents, he wanted his parents back. Now further it is said that thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. What sweet would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. So here the word disconsolate means very unhappy and unable to be comforted. Now charge means a person or thing entrusted to the care of someone. So here these lines say that finally the man took him to the sweetmeat seller and offered to buy sweets for him. Still the child did not want his favorite sweet but wanted his parents. So this is the story. And now we'll discuss the theme. You know what is the theme of the story? The theme of the story is based is that